Hey everyone! Looking for the perfect electric cooker to make delicious vegetable curry faster and easier? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 best electric cookers for vegetable curry that are trending on Amazon right now. Whether you're a busy home cook, fitness fan, or tech lover, these smart kitchen appliances can save time while delivering flavorful, perfectly cooked meals every single day. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest smart kitchen reviews.
Product number 1. Ninja 14-in-1 PossibleCooker PRO. The Ninja 14-in-1 PossibleCooker PRO is one of the most versatile electric cookers for vegetable curry lovers. I really like how this cooker combines multiple cooking functions into one powerful appliance. It can slow cook, steam, sauté, bake, and even keep your curry warm for hours without losing flavor. The large cooking capacity makes it perfect for families or meal prepping throughout the week. One feature that stands out to me is the triple fusion heat technology, which cooks ingredients evenly and quickly. Whether you're preparing spicy Indian curry, creamy Thai curry, or healthy vegetable stew, this cooker handles everything smoothly. The nonstick pot is also easy to clean, which saves a lot of time after cooking. For tech lovers and busy home cooks, this electric cooker offers convenience, durability, and consistent performance. It's definitely one of the best premium electric cookers available for making flavorful vegetable curry recipes at home.
Product number 2. Dezen 2-liter electric hot pot with steamer. The Dezen 2-liter electric hot pot with steamer is a compact yet powerful cooker that's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, and quick curry recipes. I love how lightweight and portable this electric cooker is, making it easy to use anywhere. Despite its small size, it heats up quickly and cooks vegetables evenly for rich and tasty curry dishes. This cooker also comes with a steamer attachment, allowing you to steam vegetables, dumplings, or eggs while preparing curry at the same time. The nonstick interior prevents food from sticking and makes cleanup incredibly simple. Another feature I appreciate is the adjustable temperature control, which gives better flexibility while cooking different recipes. If you're someone who wants an affordable and beginner-friendly electric cooker for vegetable curry, this Dezen hot pot is a fantastic choice. It's energy efficient, easy to use, and ideal for students, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys fast, homemade meals.
Product number 3. Kasori Rice Cooker 10 Cup. The Kasori Rice Cooker 10 Cup is more than just a rice cooker. It's a smart, multifunctional kitchen appliance that works amazingly well for vegetable curry recipes. I really enjoy using this cooker because it includes multiple cooking presets that simplify meal preparation. From steaming vegetables to simmering curry sauce, everything feels automatic and convenient. The large 10-cup capacity is excellent for families or batch cooking. One of my favorite features is the fuzzy logic technology, which adjusts temperature and cooking time automatically for better results. Your curry ingredients cook evenly without burning or overcooking. The digital control panel is also modern and easy to understand. For home cooks and tech lovers who want a reliable and stylish electric cooker, the Kasori rice cooker is a strong option. It saves time, reduces cooking stress, and helps create healthy and flavorful vegetable curry meals with minimal effort every day.
Product number 4. Zojirushi NS-TSC10 5.5 Cup. The Zojirushi NS-TSC10 5.5 Cup cooker is a premium kitchen appliance known for its intelligent cooking performance and long-lasting quality. I personally like how precise this cooker is when preparing vegetable curry and rice dishes together. The advanced fuzzy logic system automatically controls heat and timing to deliver consistent results every time. Its compact design fits perfectly in modern kitchens while still offering enough capacity for family meals. The keep warm function is especially useful because it keeps curry fresh and ready to serve for hours. The inner cooking pan is durable and non-stick, making cleanup quick and easy after cooking. This cooker is ideal for people who value convenience and professional-level cooking results. Whether you're making spicy curry, healthy vegetable soup, or steamed rice, the Zojirushi cooker performs exceptionally well. It's a reliable choice for home cooks, busy professionals, and anyone wanting a smarter cooking experience. Product number 5.
New Wave Duet Electric Pressure Cooker. The New Wave Duet Electric Pressure Cooker is an impressive multi-function cooker designed for fast and efficient cooking. I really like how this appliance combines pressure cooking and air frying into one modern device. For vegetable curry recipes, the pressure cooking feature saves a huge amount of time while still keeping vegetables tender and flavorful. This cooker includes multiple smart presets, making it easier for beginners to prepare delicious homemade meals. The digital display is clean, user-friendly, and perfect for tech enthusiasts who enjoy smart kitchen gadgets. I also appreciate the safety features, including automatic pressure release and secure lid locking. Another major advantage is the spacious cooking capacity, which works well for families or meal prep sessions. If you want an electric cooker that offers speed, versatility, and modern cooking technology, the New Wave Duet is a fantastic investment. It's perfect for healthy curry recipes, soups, rice dishes, and much more.
Product number 6. Dezeen Electric Pot. The Dezeen Electric Pot is a simple yet highly practical appliance for preparing vegetable curry, noodles, soups, and quick meals. I enjoy using this cooker because it's compact, portable, and extremely beginner-friendly. The rapid heating system helps cook vegetables quickly while maintaining great flavor and texture. One feature that really stands out is the non-stick coating, which prevents food from burning and makes cleaning effortless. It's an excellent option for students, travelers, office workers, or anyone living in smaller spaces. The ergonomic handle design also makes it safe and comfortable to move around while cooking. For fitness fans and busy home cooks, this electric pot is perfect for making healthy homemade curry without spending too much time in the kitchen. It's affordable, lightweight, and easy to operate. If you need a reliable everyday electric cooker for quick vegetable curry meals, the Dezeen Electric Pot is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching my top 6 electric cookers for vegetable curry review video. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect cooker for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Also, check the links in the description for prices, deals, and more information.